Hello everyone, welcome to this fourth presentation of MATLAB. In this presentation, we will see some important standard arrays in MATLAB, then M function programming. After that, we will see MATLAB operators and various arithmetic functions supported by Image Processing Toolbox, that is IPT. Some important standard arrays. Following are 7 array generating functions. If only one argument is included in any of the following functions, the result is a square array. The first function, zeros m comma n. This will generate an m by n matrix of zeros of class double. Next function, ones m comma n. This will generate an m by n matrix of ones of class double. Next, true m comma n. This will generate an m by n logical matrix of ones. The next function is false m comma n, which generates an m by n matrix of zeros. Function magic m will generate an m by m magic square. This is a square array in which the sum along any row, column or main diagonal is the same, which is of type integer. After this, the function rand m comma n, which generates an m by n matrix whose entries are uniformly distributed random numbers in the interval 0 to 1. The function random n of m comma n generates an m by n matrix whose numbers are normally distributed random numbers with mean 0 and variance 1. Now we'll see M function programming. M files in MATLAB can be scripts that simply execute a series of MATLAB statements. M files are created using a text editor and are stored with a name of the form filename.m. The components of the function M file are: the first one is function name or function definition line, second the h1 line, next help text, next is the function body, after that the comments. The function definition is of the form function within square bracket outputs is equal to function name and then in the bracket inputs. The function name can have maximum 63 characters. For example, a function to compute a sum and product of two images would have the form function within square bracket s comma p is equal to sum prod into the bracket f comma g. Here function is the reserved word, then s contains the sum whereas p holds the product. Sum prod is the function name, f is the sum image, g is the product image. Functions can be called at the command prompt like within square bracket s comma p is equal to sum prod into bracket f comma g. The h1 line is the first text line. It is a single comment line that follows the function definition line. For example, percentage sum prod computes sum and product of two images. The h1 line is the first text that appears when a user types help and then the function name at the MATLAB prompt. Similarly, look for keyword displays all the h1 lines containing the string keyword. Help text is a block of text that follows h1 line without any blank space. Help text is used to provide comments and online help to the function. When a user types help function name at the prompt, MATLAB displays all comment lines. And the function body contains all the MATLAB code that perform computations. it is permissible to append comments to the end of the line of code. Use %sign for this. To open a file, enter the command as edit and then the name of the file, that is sumprod. Here is the example, edit sumprod, and after that in the editor type the commands as function within square bracket s comma p is equal to sumprod into the bracket a comma b comma c comma d. Then the h1 line, that is %sumprod calculates a plus b and c into d. After this, s is equal to a plus b and p is equal to c into d. Now at the prompt, if you type the command as help sumprod, it displays the h1 line, that is sumprod calculates a plus b and c into d. Now to execute, enter the command as within square bracket ans1 comma ans2 is equal to sumprod into bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now it displays ans1 is equal to 3, which is the sum of first two arguments, and ans2 as 12, which is the multiplication of last two arguments. Now here is one more example of function. Edit test. Type the function as function within square bracket ans equal to test into bracket n, and then the h1 line as %test returns factorial of n. After this, write the code to calculate the factorial of n. Now at the prompt, if you enter the command as help test, it displays the help as test returns the factorial of n. And if you enter the command as f is equal to test into bracket 3, then it will calculate factorial of n, that is 3, and displays the result as 6. Now we will see MATLAB operators. Three types of operators are there: arithmetic, relational and logical. Then arithmetic operators are of two types. The first one is matrix arithmetic operation and the second is array arithmetic operations. Array arithmetic operations carried out element by element. The period, that is dot character, distinguishes array operations from matrix operations. That is, A asterisk B is the matrix multiplication, whereas A dot asterisk B is the multiplication of corresponding elements in matrix A and B. The character pairs dot plus and dot minus are invalid. Now the operator plus. The name is array and matrix addition. MATLAB function plus into bracket a comma b. Similarly, operator minus, name array and matrix subtraction. MATLAB function minus a comma b. Similarly, dot asterisk or period asterisk, which is the matrix multiplication, that is MATLAB function times a comma b. Then asterisk, that is matrix multiplication. MATLAB function is m times a comma b. Next operator is dot forward slash. It is array right division, and for this the MATLAB function is r divide a comma b. Then dot backslash, here array left division, that is l divide a comma b. Then only forward slash, that is matrix right division, m r divide a comma b. Backslash matrix left division, that is ml divide a comma b. Dot upper caret array power, that is power a comma b, and then upper caret, that is the matrix power. MATLAB function is m power into bracket a comma b. After this, dot single quotation mark, that is vector and matrix transpose, and the function is transpose into bracket a. After this, only single quotation mark, vector and matrix, that is C transpose into bracket A. After this, the plus, that is unary plus, and for this the matrix operation is u plus into bracket a, and then minus unary minus, and the function is u minus into bracket a. Now here are some arithmetic functions supported by image processing toolbox, that is IPT. The first one is IM_add. This will add two images or adds a constant to an image. After this, IM_subtract subtracts two images or subtracts a constant from an image. Then IM_multiply multiplies two images where the multiplication is carried out between pairs of corresponding images or image elements, or multiplies constant times an image. After this, IM_divide division of corresponding elements of two images or divides by a constant. After this, IM_abs_diff, that is absolute difference between two images. And one more is IM_complement, which complements an image. Here is the end of fourth presentation of MATLAB. Thank you.